Ito naman. This is Dulong's formula kapag coal analysis. Sir, Dulong's formula, ano po ba ang formula niyo? So, for Dulong formula, DF na lang. Okay, QH is 33820. Yung carbon plus 144212. H minus O divided by 8 plus 9304 S. Okay? So, ang labas nito is kilojoule per kilogram. If this is for analysis of coal. Okay? So, 33820 multiplied to 0.69 plus 144212. H is 0.025. Okay, minus yung O, 0.035. 8, tapos 9304 S. S, that is sulfur, 2.01. Sir, anong sagot dyan? O, dali lang yan, ultimo lang ulit. Okay? So, 33820. Okay, alpha A plus 144212. Alpha B minus alpha C divided by 8. Yan. Plus 930 and 4 alpha D. Calc mo na lang. So, A is 0.69. B is 0.025. C is 0.035. And then D is 0.01. So, the answer is 26403. 26403. Okay, 0.2125 kilojoule every kilogram. Basic again.